I want to continue explain the third problem and the previous, and I use a help function to get the substring, uh, get the how many number to change a letter and make this substring as a palindrome. And then I will for this function, and I can use a similar to the first and second function, and use a dp to previously store the change numbers, and I will define the count two-dimensional array for count. This count, the first one will be, I don't need this initial value. I will try it. So that means and the range, the second type range dp is the first loop is for length loop, and the second loop is the start operation, and the end operation is a string. This thinking is from the smaller range and to extend the large range. And for this corner case is if the start operation and j operation character not equal, that means these two elements need to change one letter, so the count actually will be +1. And the second to consider is if the current this consider is this solution. For that means this is I and this is J, and ij is not equal and not overflow, not our boundary, and that means the current count ij and plus the smaller range value. The value is index is I +1 and j -1. So that will be get to previously store the help function count, and I will run it. I will try submit. So you can see, and up before I optimize this function, and my time I use time is about 25 milliseconds. And when I optimized this dp, and the time will be reduced 4 milliseconds. That is high level. That's a high level improvement. So that is for the Palindrome Partitioning series all solution. And from this series, and uh, I I understand the DP, how to use the DP, deep understanding, and this problem for this problem that I need to use two parts DP. One part is for save the previous value, and the second part DP is to handle the the requirements of this issue. So I think I need to summarize this DP type, and I hope it's helpful, and I hope we can together to discuss more details. So that's its current solution. And if you found uh, some error, or you have some opinion, please let me know. Thanks very much.